Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for DogeCoin, we are trading at 0.08224. 24-hour volume, we're up 156%. And market cap, we are down 1.39%. So heading over to our daily chart, yesterday's video or the video that I updated, we were taking a look at some areas of support, but most importantly, that area of supply and demand. So taking a look on the chart here on the left-hand side, we do have the area of supply and demand where the price again is ultimately going to go at 8802 all the way down to 8389. Now, as we can see today, we have actually closed below this area and we had our support here at the 8168, changing that support into this support here that we can see this line at 7849. So already we can see this candlestick line here at the very bottom. The candlestick wick at the very bottom has already retraced down to this level. And if we're taking a look at the next course of action, if the continuation of this downtrend for DogeCoin is going to be surreal, we do see at the very top here to the next node. Okay, so these are different clusters that if the price does move away from this area of supply, it's going to tap into the next area of nodes. And we do have these 4 nodes down here at this dollar price of the, let's take a look here, of the 7380 to 7849. Okay, so that's going in a downtrend. A few factors going into this downtrend, of course, we can see that the candlestick bodies is favoring over to the seller side. So we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 days of heavy selling that we have so far. The volume itself is dissipating, it is coming down. The MACD indicator that measures momentum doesn't really show us any signs of a possible second wave here that we can have of the uptrend. Now we do see the MACD line, which is this blue line, and the orange line getting closer together. So it's confirmation that the momentum is slowly dying. We do have the RSI on the right hand side here that is retracing on a downwards trend, and we do see the KDJ indicator where the J line crossed below all of our K and our D line, and ultimately showing us that heavy bearish marketplace. So that's kind of what we're going to expect. If we do close again in a red candle, it does give that retest, that immediate caution here, and of course possible for the price to come down here. And if we do break below the 20 moving average, which is this yellow line here, then ultimately we may see the price reverse from this bull trend to a downtrend. Now, one of the things here that we do see is a possible crossover, which is called a golden cross. If you can see that the 20 moving average here crossed above the 200 moving average, this could suggest there is going to be a current uptrend for long term. But in order for us to do that, we want to make sure that we are continuously closing above, again, the 20 MA to keep this current trend to an uptrend. Now, going into the 4-hour time frame, we're going to take a look here. Now, all of a sudden right here on the RSI, we can see it triggered that sell opportunity here. We can see the K line here for this blue line dipped below the D line itself, which is this orange line. Same kind of thing here with our KDJ. Our KDJ, we can see the J line crossing below our K and our D line here. So signifying both line up, it is going to give us that confirmation of a heavy selling going into today. So in a 4-hour time frame, we can see the 4 hours already tapped into the supply and demand. And really, is there going to be buyers pushing the price even higher here because Bitcoin is down as well? We can see closing below the 20 MA, a retest of the 50 moving average, and potentially a crossover of our 100 moving average. Taking a look at the 2-hour time frame here, at the start of the MACD indicator, we see that crossover showing us that bearish movement. 4-hour time frame, take a look at the MACD indicator. Already the histograms, barely any momentum on the green bullish side. So 1, 2 histograms already starting this bearish moment, broke through that support line here. We can see that support line when we were consolidating. We were anticipating that consolidation, moving from support coming to a resistance, a retest on the support, and ultimately broke it here. So it is going to be a very heavy selling days, or selling couple of hours. We do see here the K line is at 9%. However, it doesn't really show us in the 4-hour time frame. It triggered that selling opportunity. 4-hour time frame as well, KDG. So just be very cautious going into today if you're taking a look at DogeCoin. Make sure, again, if we do get into this area of supply, that we do keep above that 20 MA on a daily time frame to ensure that the uptrend itself is not broken. But let me know what you guys think down below. I appreciate you tuning in. Like and subscribe to the channel if you found the video insightful, but I'll see you next time.